Alright, saltine. Good. Alright, you got your horseradish. Spread her on out on that saltine right there. And then we gotta cut open the damn oyster shell. Some bitch! Got a fucking crab! You gotta get the biggest oyster you can find. It hasn't opened yet. Like this on the bench right here. This on the bench. Alright, now, you pick up the biggest damn oyster you can find. The hadn't opened yet, like this on the bench right here. Put it right in the pooper. Turn her clockwise 90 degrees without going to the ER. Like that. Open her up. Come up. Take your oyster. Set her on there like that. Up. Go to the top tail. Take her on a dredge rag. Set her on there right there. Then you go get you jalapeno right there. And then last but not least, get you some Tabasco. Like that. Put your little bit of pepper on there like that. That's it.